Did you wash your hands?
Yes, Mama. I washed my hands.
Very nice. Put the plate here. Bring some breads. I'll give you some tissue papers.
Okay, Mama. Is it perfect?
Yes, it is perfect. Now it is perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
What I have to do now?
Can you see lots of stuff here?
Yes, there is tomato, there is cucumber, there is potato slice. What is this, Mama? What is this?
Okay. Do you want to smell this?
Yes. I don't like the smell, Mama.
No, but this is very yummy when we put it inside the sandwiches.
Mama, tell me its name. What is this?
This is coriander chutney.
Yummy,
Yes, and what is this?
This is my favorite. Kisan tomato ketchup, Mama.
Yes, very good. You know everything. Smart
Yes.
girl. And what are these?
These are cucumber slices, Mama.
Good job. And what are these?
These are tomato slices.
Is it?
Let me see. Can I eat, Mama?
Yeah, sure. You can taste it. If you
Pakka?
want. Yes, pakka.
This is potato slice.
You got it right.
Yes, Mama.
These are
Where to
potatoes.
eat this, Mama?
You can put it in another plate.
Okay.
Yes, very nice. Now shall we start?
Yes, Mama.
You can choose your favorite toppings from these bowls.
Okay.
Okay?
Firstly, we will take my favorite ketchup.
Yes, you spread the ketchup on the bread.
Okay, Mama. Like this.
Yes, spread it all over the bread, all the corners, and in the center.
Mama, please help me, na.
Yes, dear. Like this, we have to spread it all over.
Okay.
Now, put your favorite toppings.
My favorite is tomato, cucumber,
Very nice.
potato,
Yes.
and again cucumber. Now what to put next again here?
Okay, we got your one of your favorite.
Yummy!
These are sev.
Okay.
Put it on the toppings.
Now can I put some salt here?
Yes, you can put chutney first.
No, I want to put some salt.
Okay, you can spread some salt. That's it.
Yes, Mama.
Now, what you want to put next?
This coriander chutney.
Very good. This will make our sandwich much more delicious. Very nice.
Now what next, Mama?
Now, take one more bread.
Okay.
Cover it. Very good. Press it little bit. Not so hard. Gently. Now, let's make it more interesting.
Oh, I got one idea.
Do you have an idea?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, show me then. Oh. These are not meant for you.
Why, Mama?
Scissors are sharp objects.
Okay.
These are not for kids. Let me do this for you.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
There you go.
Yes. I will make my favorite smiley.
Wow. Aww, that looks so cute.
Now I will put this.
Yes.
Mama, see now what I got in my hand.
Uh-oh, no problem. I've got the tissue paper. Let me wipe your hand.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, dear. Now you're done.
Okay, Mama. Now this looks very yummy, Mama.
It's very nice. Good job, my girl.
Thank you, Mama.
Do you want to taste it?
Let me take it. I don't want to taste it.
Okay, we will take it later on.
Okay.
But you enjoyed we can make lots of our favorites without fire. You enjoy?
Yes, Mama. Hooray!